Hi, I'm Lily from Circus Brighton, and in this video we're going to be looking at how to hoop on your knees. One of the things I love most about knee hooping is once you're comfortable there, you have loads of space up above to do loads of other things with your hands, like dance or poi spinning, or you can do some plate spinning tricks, or you can even have loads of fun doing double hoop moves up there as well, and you could even do juggling. If you can actually juggle, that is. Now to get started, you're going to hold the hoop like you would when you're hooping around your waist, but slightly above your knees. Now eventually you'll learn how to move it down to your knees from the waist or kick up from the floor, but whilst you're learning how to actually hoop on your knees, you'll want to start there. Now make sure it's slightly above the knees and not directly on or below. Then as you push the hoop round, you are going to bob up and down, so to speak. So your knees are locked together and your feet are together, and you are going to bounce up and down without your feet coming off the floor, which is going to push your knees out, then back in again to maintain the motion of the hoop. Now, just like waist hooping, it can take a little bit of practice to get your rhythm and timing right, but as long as you keep your knees together and the hoop stays slightly above the knees, you're working with a really good form. Now we're going to touch briefly on just a couple of ways to get it from the knees up to your waist. Now this can take absolutely forever to do, so please persevere, take your time with it. It's just one of those most frustrating moves, and these are just two ways of doing it. Now the first way I learned how to hoop from my knees to my waist was a kick up motion. Watch the right leg here. What it's going to do is it's almost going to kick the hoop up as it touches the front, and it's going to bring it up to the waist.
Hey, it's a kick.
Now, the second way of doing it is the way that I use now, which is more of a wiggle motion. Now, as the hoop touches one side of the leg, you're going to shimmy that leg up a bit, which slightly lifts that hoop. Then when it hits the other side of the other leg, you're going to do the same thing, which creates a sort of shimmy motion with your legs. Now, you can use the same format when you're bringing it up from the waist to your neck. When you've got your arms in, you're shimmying up your arms. I'm going to link to that video up there once it's up. But it's similar motion, but just with your legs. You are shimmying your legs and creating little step up, step up, step up, step up either side, which brings the hoop up to your thighs and then up to your waist. Now, good luck with this move. I'm going to do another video focusing more on moving it up from the knees to the waist, because that is such a frustrating move. But if you just persevere with this move, get comfortable hooping around your knees, it's a really nice way of adding additional things to your hoop flow, extra hoops. So persevere, and if you do get loads of bruises, please take a couple of days out and then come back to it later. When I was first learning this move, I had so many bruises, I had to take a break for a couple of days. So take it in your own time and take care of yourself. Now let me know in the comment section down below how you get on, what worked for you, what didn't, and if there are any other moves that you really want to learn, let me know and I will drop you a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!